Welcome to our channel. Setting up your own VPN server provides secure access to your home network from anywhere in the world and protects your internet traffic when using untrusted networks. Step 1. Decide whether to host your VPN on a home server, Raspberry Pi, or rent a virtual private server for better reliability and performance. Step 2. Choose a VPN protocol, with WireGuard being the recommended option for its modern design, strong security, and excellent performance. Step 3. Install WireGuard on your server by following the installation instructions specific to your operating system. Step 4. Generate encryption keys for your server and each client device that will connect to your VPN using WireGuard's key generation tools. Step 5. Configure your server by creating a WireGuard configuration file that defines your VPN subnet, listening port, and security settings. Step 6. Set up port forwarding on your router to allow VPN traffic to reach your server, typically forwarding UDP port 51820 for WireGuard. Step 7. Configure firewall rules to allow VPN connections while maintaining security and preventing unauthorized access. Step 8. Create client configuration files for each device that needs to connect to your VPN, including smartphones, laptops, and tablets. Step 9. Install WireGuard clients on your devices and import the configuration files you created, testing the connection to ensure everything works correctly. Step 10. Set up split tunneling if desired, allowing you to choose which traffic goes through the VPN and which uses your regular internet connection. Your secure VPN is now protecting your internet traffic wherever you travel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.